How to add products to your Wix website. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step by step of adding products to your Wix website for free. And I will cover everything from setting up product details to customizing your product page to ensuring guys your online store looks more professional and inviting. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, before starting adding the product or importing product, you need to go to hit on design site, then go to, it will take you directly to customize your website. First you need to hit on the plus icon on the left side, then go and hit on search, then you need to tap on the search bar store. Then guys, you need to install this Wix stores application. Before this application guys, it's very easy to use and helps you to add products to your Wix website. It's very easy. Just take a few simple steps to install this application. Just hit on add to site. As you see guys, it's free to install. Add to site. It's take a few seconds. Just make sure to finish the video until the end, then you will be able to add any product or import any product to your Wix website. Add in the Wix stores. Then wait a few seconds. As you see guys, this application it's help you to add products to your Wix website. First guys, it's give you a default product. Don't worry, this product just a default product. Then if you want to add product, just select this section. Just select this section, then tap this section and hit on manage product. Then hit on manage product. It will take you directly guys to manage and add product to your Wix website. Then guys, you need first to select all this product and remove it because it's only the default product on your Wix website. Then go and delete all these more actions and delete. Then hit on delete. Now guys, you are deleting all this product or default product. Now guys, if you want to add a new product, just hit on a new product and select which product, the physical or digital product. Then for example, physical product. It's very easy guys to add any product or import any product to your Wix website. Then guys, first you need to name the united product. For example, I'm using this product from AliExpress account. It's a dropshipping product guys. For example, name it mini massage. For example, it's just an example guys. Then guys, you need to add the picture or the video. For example, I'm adding the picture. Just hit on add the pictures or image. Then it will take you directly to download the image. Then at the top on the left side, hit on upload media. Then again, upload from computer or any device that you are using. Then guys, go and select the product, this image. Then hit on open. Then wait a few seconds to download this image to your Wix website. As you see guys, it's very easy guys to add the image also. Now guys, you need to select all this, the 5 image, sorry, and add to page. Again, image. I don't know why it's not selected. Also these pictures, just an example guys. Just drag it to make it a default or a main image. Then guys, the product information. First guys, the name, you can use mini message, sorry, mini message again, and copy the title and paste it. Then guys, in the description you can add and customize your description. You can use your own description or go just to ChatGPT and type description for this product, then it will give you the professional description. Then guys, scroll to the pricing section. For example, $56, then on sale, or you can select show price per unit, just an example guys. Then basic price, cost good, for example $5. The cost of the product, for example $30, the profit is 26 and the margin is 46. Then guys, go, if you want to add a custom text, allow customers to personalize this product with a custom text field. Add custom text field if you want. Or if you want to add a product options, add an option, for example categories. Then guys, tracking inventory, statue SKU, it's just an optional guys. The shipping weight. Then guys, after adding all this information, just hit on save, then automatically your product, it will added successfully to your Wix website. As you see guys, you haven't connected the payment method. You need to add your payment method. I will show you how you can easily after add and connect your Wix website to payment method. Then guys, after adding to the product section or adding a product to your Wix website, just go back and go directly to your Wix website. Then go back. As you see guys, it will find the product will added successfully. Just reload the page. As you see guys, your product was added successfully to your product page on your Wix website, but you need to verify your payment method. First, just select the left side and hit on my business, then automatically your application and Wix application, it will appear. Wix stores. First you need to add the product. As you see guys, we have already add the product. Then different shipping region. Then if you want to add it, or just hit on skip. Then again, you need to connect your payment method. Just get paid. You need to connect, for example, payment method like PayPal or any payment method that you have. For example, just hit on it, get paid. Then it will take you directly to your Wix dashboard to add any payment method like PayPal or any payment method, or add your MasterCard or anything. For example, I'm using the my country. Then guys, you need to if you want to connect with PayPal, just hit on connect. Then you need to switch your PayPal account to business. Then then you will be able to connect your PayPal or your business PayPal to your Wix website. Then after adding your PayPal payment method, then your product will be able and active to purchase. Then guys, after that you need to hit on publish first to make your website more active. Then you will be able to make your account, then you will be able to make your store active for and visual for everyone. As you see guys, this is the easy method to add any product to your Wix website without using any paid version application and for free, and also for everyone, even you are a beginner. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.